Well, I think there are a few reasons why the business of human rights is the business of corporations. First of all, corporations have, as global players in the world now, a broader and deeper impact on citizens in different communities around the world. They impact human rights. And by impacting human rights, including labor rights, including indigenous peoples' rights, property rights, and land rights, they are, by necessity, embroiled in some of the most critical issues that national governments may be facing, especially if they're working in countries with repressive regimes or regimes which are not very democratically stable. So because corporations play such a major role in both wealth creation and impact to human rights and to communities around the world, they have to be involved in protecting human rights. They're at the front lines. In some cases, corporations also get involved in hiring paramilitary forces, and these forces may themselves go out and commit human rights violations, which the company has to bear some responsibility for. And finally, because companies negotiate contracts with governments, and sometimes they're quite large contracts, sometimes they represent perhaps a country's majority of economic development, these contracts may constrain a government from actually providing economic development or delivering human rights protections to the people, whether it be water or health or other areas. The contracts between governments and corporations can be significant and change the way governments may try to fulfill their human rights obligations to their citizenry. So for those reasons, the business of human rights really is the business of corporations.